Here's how to create a motion texture text effect using InShot. Step 1. Create a text video. Open InShot and create a blank clip. Now extend the clip to your desired duration. Next, add your text and choose any font you like. Once done, export and save this text video. Step 2. Add animation and motion texture. Now import the text video you just saved into InShot. Tap on animation and apply a zoom-out animation to your text. Next, open the Materials library and add a texture video. Go to Background, select any video, and adjust to the screen. Now tap on Blend and choose the Multiply Blend mode. And just like that, you've created a motion texture text effect for your next video project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more InShot tips and creative editing tutorials.